Hey, good afternoon. JC here from Itemcount. So, for now, we're going to create an item, then create a package through that item, then create packages through work orders. So, yeah, let's call this component or item as irradiated mirror. And yeah, handle with care. Yeah, let's see. And areas can be IRM. Price. So this is not going to be for sale. So I just leave the price as is. Cost. Later we're gonna fill out the costs using that items. So yeah. And then measurement unit. How are we going to control the radiated mirror? Uh, I think it's better to control it by grams. Yeah. Then consumable or yeah, let's put raw material here. And yeah, branches. Yeah, these branches is these are the store or location that's going to be like when you want to sell this. But yeah, so it's less of importance right now. Category energy chem. Then for internal use, okay, is this item for sale? It's not for sale. It's not a subscription service. I want to track this, and I don't want to be included on the sales report. So yeah, that's that. All right. So there's your irradiated here. And then, okay, and we want to add line. Yeah, sorry about that. So let's create a lot number, IRM 001. Okay, then supplier, just put a supplier there. Quantity, uh, let's say I'm going to purchase like 5 kilograms of this. So even we put grams there on the initial, we can put any weight measurement unit in here. Then per kilogram, or we can use total in here, like how much for the total 5 kilograms. So let's say 5,000 pesos. Okay. So 1,000 per kilogram. We can leave this blank for now. And NA for the documents. Then let's create. Yeah, as you can see, uh, 5,000 grams has been added, and there's a value or a costing of 1,000 per kilogram. All right. Then, yeah, you can see there's the location in here, and yeah. Then from here we can create a package. For example, we want to sell irradiated mirror per grams, but of course not. The packaging will not be just 1 gram or 2 grams. Let's say, for example, we want to package this as 100 grams of irradiated mirror, and the price is, if let's say 5,000, if 1,000 per kilogram. So point per 100 grams, let's say we're gonna sell it for 500 pesos. It's kind of expensive if we package it. So let's see. Let's submit. And there, yeah, you can see in here that this item is irradiated mirror, but for 100 grams, and now it's being controlled using inches. So, for example, you are packaging this, putting it in a bottle or in a container. Yeah, per 100-gram container, the price is going to be 500 pesos. And then, if you want to create a work order, you want to manufacture multiple of this, let's say, no, IRM 500 grams, and you want to put it in here, then you want to create like 5 of this, so that will be 500 grams, right? uh, Assigned to anyone, then due date, let's say 31st of this month and create. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see here, now there are five eaches or five pieces of this packaging. So it means for 500 per piece, 5 times 500, 25, and then costing is 100 per each. Yeah, you will have a profit of 2,000. The costing came from the original component or irradiated mirror. You can see in here, at first we input or we input by a lot item 5,000 grams. Now it was deducted by 500 because we created five of these packages 100 grams. Okay, sorry about the dog. Yeah. Anyway, you can see in here that we just created a 100-gram package. Then put it inside the work order. Now we can start selling. We can start selling this 100 grams packaging of irradiated mirror. Then, yeah, we can still package this, like for example, a box of three or a packaging of three. We can create another package to uh, to encapsulate the amount of 100 grams irradiated mirror. So yeah, that's that for creating a package, creating an item, adding by a lot item, adding by a work order. Anyway, all these buttons are also available via separate routes. You can find them here. It's just that it's easier also if you're already in the items detail page and you're going to create or add quantity to that specific item. Yeah. Now, yeah, supply chain. As you can see, we only have one bill of materials. Yeah. As you can notice, inside here, there's a bill of material. Like there's a recipe wherein this has like 100 grams of irradiated mirror. For example, you want to also control the battle. You can just create another uh, or add another bill of material here to complete the recipe of this particular packaging. So yeah, that's the package, that's the items, and yep, that's it for this recording. Thank you.